G'day, I'm Thanh.
G'day, I'm Duncan.
And we're Team Vietnam from Plate of Origin.
So Thanh, what are we having for dinner?
Tonight we're making my mum's Vietnamese slaw with poached chicken and rice. It's a family favourite. This dish costs $5 per serve for 4 people.
Okay, Thanh. First step, we're going to poach the chicken. To poach the chicken, we need to wash it really well and remove any excess fat. And then, to flavour it, carrot, brown onion, salt, pepper, coriander stalks, and top it up with some cold water. The water's boiling, skim all the impurities off. Simmer and cover for 10 minutes.
So put 3 cups of rice in a pot. Make sure you wash the rice to remove the dusty starch. Bring 5 cups of water to the boil. Once the hot water's boiling, pour in the rice and let it simmer for 18 minutes.
Once it's been simmered for 10 minutes, turn off the flame and allow the residual heat to poach the chicken further for 45 minutes.
Have a look at that rice. So you want to close the lid and let the rice naturally absorb the rest of the moisture. Let's move on to the fish sauce dressing for the Vietnamese coleslaw. You want 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Dissolve it with some boiling water. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Lime juice, and finely dice the chili. Crush and finely dice the garlic and add it to the mix. Grate the carrot using a cheese grater and add it into the fish sauce.
Alright, Thanh, I'm going to move to the savoy cabbage. Thinly slice it. Finally, julienne your carrots. Remove the mint leaves from its stalk and place into the bowl.
Duncan, let's not forget about the coriander. Nice! Look at the golden colour of that broth. Looks delicious.
I'm going to remove the legs and separate the breasts.
Alright, so we're just going to shred this up now. After adding the shredded breast chicken meat to the Vietnamese slaw, add the fish sauce dressing and toss well. The broth is going to make a really nice soup on the side. All you've got to do, add a bit of cheeky fish sauce. It's going to give that salty umami flavour to the soup. My favourite part, time to plate up. There you have it, my mum's Vietnamese slaw with poached chicken and rice. Fresh, wholesome, quick and easy.
Be watching Plate of Origin tonight to win your share in $25,000 worth of Coles gift cards. And if you're after more fantastic recipes, make sure you head over to Coles & Co for great ideas.
I hope you get to enjoy this dish as much as my family does.
Thanks for sharing the recipe, mate.
No worries.